Hey everyone, thank you so much for buying Lift and Plump. It's our newest launch. This is specifically meant for people post 28 when you see early signs of aging in and around your jaw area, in and around your neck area. This comes with, of course, a product, the massager, then there is one CR2032 battery. I'll quickly tell you how to set this up. Twist it about 30 to 40 degrees on anti-clockwise direction. You pull it out. You see one chamber which is for batteries. Ensure so each battery has a rough area and a very clean plain area. Ensure to keep the rough area on the top, and this is how you go. So you see the roughness on the top, then you twist it back again, this time in a clockwise direction, and here the massager is ready. There's a button right here. You just press it once and you can see it moving already. Now comes to the application part. Of course, open the cream tub. Here you will find a small spatula, and this is where the cream sits. Apply a generous amount on both your cheeks, on your forehead, and most important area for which we have launched this product is your jaw area and all the neck area. Some people have really dry skin, they might need a little more application of it. This has peptide, so it's a little thicker formulation. Um, Use your hands to do a gentle massage so that it is not concentrated on just one area. And once you're done with that, switch on the massager. Take about a minute or a minute and a half to use the massager. Start with your forehead, about 10 to 15 seconds here, about 20 seconds on both your cheek area. Ensure whenever you're doing this massage or any massager, always move it from inside out. Same goes for your other cheek, and in the bottom, which is, I think, this jaw area starts sagging a lot more faster. So again, here also you move inside out. You can take circular motion, but always inside out. For neck area specifically, one should always ensure to move the massager bottom up. Because of gravity, your face already droops in the downward direction. So whenever you're using any tool, any massager, always is in a top direction. You will feel a gentle massage, a spa-like experience. And once you feel the product is fully absorbed, you can generally feel the difference once you touch it. You feel a slight suppleness across your face. You switch it off and use any cloth, any clean cotton cloth to kind of wipe this area off and put it back. And yeah, your cream is ready to be used next.